Okay, repairs to the paved portion of Blackhorse Road, which is the piece of parcel of Blackhorse Road on the west side of Route 100. We have a proposal from Castle Valley. Castle Valley.
That's a flashback.
Okay, and he says that, Ken Yerger says that blah, 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 $75,000, which is the important part of the letter. What I would like to know is, should we pursue an engineer plan for that, thinking that it's going to be in that cost range? He's been out there several times to look at it with us and by himself, and this is the proposal that he would, I think, want to go with.
Do you have a thought about that as roadmaster, Ken?
We have to do something about it, and it's a really bad drainage situation, and there's not a whole lot of ability to fix it in the existing parameters of the road, I guess you could say.
It's just the one as you're going west on the left-hand side that you pointed out during our tour, I think.
Yeah, the one really was broken up bad, it still is.
Okay, so what can we do with this tonight?
Allow or pass a motion that directs township engineer to draw engineer plans and I guess a bid, right?
Right. So moved.
Second.
Any comment? Brian Curry.
What all are they proposing to do on this? And you said Castle Valley Engineering is,
No, it was Carol, I misspoke. I had a flashback.
never mind, okay. Okay, then what are they proposing to do on that road?
Reconstruct the paving and change the grade of the road in the last 500 or 600 feet that approaches Route 100. I'm not sure what grade change they're talking about. That's why we need to get further into it if we want to go that direction.
Well, yeah, because that road is basically flat all the way.
That's
Are
right.
we also going to?
It's actually not flat. You know, it drops 7 feet, believe it or not, from the township line to 100.
I could believe that it dropped 7 foot, but that's still, in my opinion, basically flat.
Yeah.
He does state in here that he's going to have to survey the road to make certain that positive drainage can be obtained, so he's aware of that issue.
Does, in other words, we're probably going to be putting in more stormwater inlets, et cetera?
No, with today's stormwater requirements and limitations, that is actually not a viable alternative for this road.
So do
He's
you
the
have any
engineer,
idea what
that's
we
what he
can
said.
do
So-
then?
What's that?
Is there any idea what we can do then?
That's what we're asking him to, he says he has a plan. We need to see more of the design and the actual, what we're talking about.
So he has an idea, but he hasn't told you what it is yet.
No, that's not
Want
true.
to read it for him, John?
It's in here. There's a number of ideas in here.
Yeah, is that the pipe that comes over Route 100 and empties out on Brian's house?
Yeah. Yeah. It shoots up in the air. That one.
Hey, I can go
It's getting
on
late
as
in
a
the day,
water
you know?
feature.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm not sure exactly what the end result or the end product will be from the design, but I don't know how, until we start the design process, I'm not sure what to say. So,
We just know there's a major problem there, and the engineer is going to propose a solution and put a number to it.
Well, I see that it's kind of interesting because you hit the township line and the road on the other side, you know, is in fairly good condition, whereas our side is kind of, you know, poor, but the other side also has a bit of slope to it compared to our side.
yeah, if you look, the last 150 feet or so of our part is in good shape too, because it's steeper there. You know, the water runs away from it. Then it gets pretty flat down to the line. So, not an easy problem to solve. So if we make a motion, we did.
We have a motion, we need a
Second.
vote.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.